Hello, we will discuss a little why kung bakit natalo si Ben Tulfo. Well, sa aking palagay ay natalo si Ben Tulfo. Actually, ako ay nagulat din dahil in a lot of surveys ay nauna siya together with his brother Erwin Tulfo, who successfully won the 2025 senatorial election. So, nobody would expect that the kind of Ben Tulfo will lose this election. But what happened, happens. So, sa palagay nyo ay bakit natalo si Ben Tulfo? Well, masasabi natin ay siguro ay natalo si Ben Tulfo dahil medyo maangas ang dating ni Ben Tulfo at sa lahat ng Tulfo brothers ay mukhang siya talaga ang medyo sabihin na natin, malakas ang dating at maangas talaga. Although trademark ng mga Tulfo yung kaangasan, but in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? In my opinion talaga si Ben Tulfo medyo pinakamalakas ang dating, you know what? You know why? And he can speak with a twang, with American twang, American accent, British accent. So, sa forma pa lang talagang malakas talaga ang dating ni Ben Tulfo. So, medyo nagulat tayo at anyway, it's already what under the bridge, number 13. At ang number 12 ay si Jaime Marcos. Abangan natin kung si Ben Tulfo ay magpoprotesta, magpaparecount, gaya ng request ni Kibuloy, the Son of God. You know what I'm saying? So, abangan natin. Si Erwin ay nanalo kasi hindi naman siya masyado maanga, siguro. Although nahawa na siya sa kanyang mga brothers. Pero sa mga Tulfo brothers talaga ay si Ben Tulfo ang pinaka talagang ibang dating ni Ben Tulfo. Medyo maangas talaga at malakas. You will feel his presence maybe if you enter the room, whatever kind of room is it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the problem. Anyway, that's not a problem. Because in 2028, I believe Ben Tulfo will make a return of the comeback. I believe so. That Ben Tulfo will possibly win in 2028 unless he will not change his angas attitude. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Maybe that's one of the reasons why Ben Tulfo did not win. Because among the youth, among the youngsters, mga kabataan, mukhang I don't know if they can identify themselves with Ben Tulfo with the like of Ben Tulfo na angas talaga naman malakas ang dating. Hindi natin alam kung makaka-relate yan ng mga kabataan tutulad ni Ben Tulfo. So abangan natin sa 2028 kung mananalo, kung matatalo ulit ang isang Ben Tulfo. You know what I'm saying?